Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to use Surfshark to the absolute maximum of its capabilities today. Whether you're a bit lost among all Surfshark's features or just curious to see how this VPN works, I got you. So Surfshark has 3 plans you can choose from, and that decides how many extra features you get. So let's start this Surfshark tutorial from the basics and work our way up. With the Surfshark starter plan, you get all the VPN benefits plus the Alternative ID feature. So this plan makes Surfshark one of the cheapest VPN options on the market right now. By the way, I'll leave the current best Surfshark coupon code in the description down below, or you can scan this QR code to check out their current best deal. Once you have a subscription, you can get the Surfshark app for any device straight from their website. The installation process is pretty much the same as for any other app. Then you can log in and you should see an app just like this one, but with minor differences based on what operating system you're using. And now I can properly show you how to use Surfshark VPN. So to start running the VPN, you can click on any country from the server list, or just click this cool quick connect button right here. This hooks you up with the closest, fastest server, and bam, your whole connection is now protected. You can pause or cancel this on the side, and here you'll also see the stats, including your shiny new IP address. Surfshark generally uses the WireGuard protocol to power your connection, which is currently the gold standard for any proper VPN, as it ensures a fast connection while applying modern encryption. But if you need a specific protocol, you can always change it in the Surfshark VPN settings section. Since we're here, I also want to show you a few important settings that you should know about. First off, I always keep the kill switch enabled, and I recommend you do the same. If your VPN connection ever unexpectedly drops, this will prevent your IP address from leaking, and with it, all of your data. If you're using Surfshark on Windows or mobile, I also recommend making use of the split tunneling feature. The bypasser. Surfshark loves their special names, man. Anyway, I have it set up and I exclude apps like Steam and Spotify from the VPN connection, as they definitely don't need it. As for the rest of the settings, well, I'll leave them up to you to explore. They're mostly based on preference and nothing too complicated. Plus, there are these little explanations for almost everything. Honestly, Surfshark is very beginner friendly, and you'll see that as you start using the app. But in case anything does confuse you, just leave a comment down below and I will help you as much as I can from my own experiences with this provider. No mum, not you. That said, I want to mention a couple of specific features that I use myself. Clean Web is one of them. This is an ad and tracker blocker. Basically, it clears up the pages as you browse, but for this to work properly, trust me, get the Surfshark extension. Within it, you will find Clean Web 2.0. This version does not require an active VPN connection to work, and it blocks cookie request pop-ups, which is like, just the best. Now, if we go back to the main app, you'll also see a bunch of specialized servers. My favorite here is static IP. Every time I connect to the same server, it gives me the same IP address as before. So websites like Amazon, Facebook, etc. don't freak out every time I try and connect to them from a new device. There's also a dedicated IP feature, which gives you a personal IP address in a selected location, but it actually costs a little bit extra and, well, it ain't cheap. Anyway, you'll also see multi-hop here, which is another fancy name. This time it's a feature more widely known as double VPN, and it does what you'd expect. It routes your connection through 2 VPN servers instead of 1 for increased security. To be fair, I don't really use this one, but if you're fighting internet censorship, like multi-hop can come in handy, I guess. Well, for those of you who got a VPN for streaming or torrenting, you don't actually need any special features. If you want to check out foreign streaming libraries, simply connect to a server that's in that country. As for torrenting, they've got P2P optimized servers, which will do the job of ensuring safe and fast data transfer. But you won't find any torrenting specific features in this app, at least not yet. There's one more feature you should know. Alternative ID. This tool allows you to create a completely new identity with a realistic name, age, gender, address, etc., and even an email address. I use this for signing up for stuff online like newsletters or those subscribe for an extra discount type deal. This way, my own personal info stays private, so there's less of a data breach risk. Plus, the generated email address still forwards all incoming emails to my actual email address. But if I delete the alternative identity, all of the subscriptions will be cancelled at once, which is pretty handy. And well, that just about covers all of the basic Surfshark features, which, to be fair, isn't all that basic at all. There is quite a good set of tools here. But if you opted for the Surfshark One bundle, well, you've got even more features to explore. Somehow, the price increase is minimal, but this subscription packs some serious weaponry, especially against malware. So Surfshark has a whole AV test certified antivirus. You have to click to install it, but it stays within the same app as the VPN. Once you have Surfshark Antivirus in the app, the first thing to do is turn on real-time protection. This will watch for threats 24/7, and it's not only effective on old and known malware, it can catch zero-day threats too, due to very frequent updates. I also recommend running a full scan right away, which checks every nook and cranny of your device, and you'll find a couple of additional tools here as well, like webcam protection. If you go to this tab right here, you'll see the Surfshark Search feature. It's a private search engine that doesn't serve any ads or sponsored results and doesn't look into your search history or location. You can actually even set it up as your default search engine on Chrome and Edge. I won't expand on that right now, but there's a detailed walkthrough in Surfshark's Help Center. And hey, now, the only real major tool that's left in the Surfshark One bundle is Surfshark Alert. You have to set it up through the website, and it requires activating 2FA, but once that's done, Surfshark will watch out for data leaks related to your information, be it email, personal ID, credit card, or any other data. Basically, with the Surfshark One plan, you get a whole cybersecurity bundle for online protection, which makes this plan carry the most value. But there is one more tier, the One Plus plan. Compared to Surfshark prices for other subscriptions, this costs quite a lot, but that's because this plan adds a whole personal data removal service called Incogni. I won't expand on it in this video because I'm going to make a separate one, but just let me know if there's anything you need in the comments down below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And now you know how to use all the main Surfshark features. What did I say? I got you. If you watched this video without having Surfshark yet, props to you for doing your research, and don't forget to use the discount code in the description to save some money on your subscription. Cheers, I'll see you in the next one.